You ever just stare at your bank account like it owes you an apology? Like, how did we get here? Rent's up, eggs are somehow $14, and every influencer on TikTok is just casually making six figures by smiling into a camera? Meanwhile, you're Googling how to get rich with no talent, no time, and a suspicious amount of caffeine. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be famous. And no, you don't need to sell your soul to the algorithm gods. What you do need is to stop assuming you're too late or too unskilled. Look, skills help, but they can be learned. What's way more valuable? Knowing where the door is. Today I'm not giving you a dream, I'm giving you the keys. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you 3 of the easiest income streams anyone can start. Even if the only thing you're good at is pressing play on YouTube. And let me guess, you've watched stories and thought, that's great for them, but I don't have any skills like that. But here's the reality in 2025. The world is run by people who figured it out on Google, not people with degrees or 10 years of experience. Every day there's a 17-year-old making $5,000 from a side hustle, not because they're smarter, because they kept looking until they found something simple. Let's break it down. A good income stream, especially for beginners, has 3 things. It's simple to start, it can grow without your full-time effort, and it makes you feel like a genius even when you're winging it. You don't need a business plan, a marketing degree, or even confidence. You need a bit of curiosity and maybe a phone. If you're stuck at the I don't know what to do stage, good. That means your options are wide open. Let me tell you what doesn't work. Starting a YouTube channel if you hate talking, trying to dropship if you've never researched a supplier, buying a course for $997 called Make Money While You Sleep and then expect to wake up rich. Because real income streams, they're not sexy, they're not overnight, but they actually work. And they're easier than you think. So here are the 3 income streams that you can start this week. No skills, no problem. The first stream of income is digital products with AI tools. Now, what if I told you you could write a full digital guide or mini ebook using free AI tools, post it on Gumroad, and start earning while you sleep? Use ChatGPT to outline it, use Canva to make it look clean, then promote it in Reddit forums or TikTok comments. No writing skills, no design degree, just copy, paste, and upload. Now that leads me to the second income stream. Faceless YouTube shorts. You don't want to show your face? Great, you don't have to, just like what I'm doing right now. You can use things like Canva, PixArt, ChatGPT, ImageFX. Talk about stuff you're already into. Motivation, productivity, AI, money. Post once a day and watch the algorithm take over. And now the third income stream is digital download shop on Etsy. Etsy isn't just for candles and crystal necklaces anymore. People are making passive income selling digital files, like planners, budget sheets, wall art, or even cute to-do lists. Use Canva, export as PDF, upload, done. Add keywords related to whatever you do, and boom, you're in business. So to wrap it all up, just really pick one and start ugly. Because look, it's not about doing all 3, it's about choosing one and giving it a shot. Because don't worry if it looks messy or nobody buys right away. You're not trying to go viral, you're just proving yourself you can start. Most people never build wealth because they never build momentum. But you've got the ideas now. You just need to try one.